Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for Mathematics 6, Quarter 3, Week 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which solid figure has 6 equal square faces? A. Cube, B. Sphere, C. Cylinder, D. Cone. The correct answer is letter A. Number 2. Which object is an example of a cylinder? A. Dice, B. Can of sardines, C. Ice cream cone, D. Globe. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. A solid figure with one circular base and one vertex is A. Sphere, B. Cone, C. Cylinder, D. Prism. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Which figure is not a solid figure? A. Rectangle, B. Sphere, C. Cube, D. Pyramid. The correct answer is letter A. Number 5. What do you call a solid figure with two circular bases? A. Cone, B. Cylinder, C. Cube, D. Pyramid. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. Which solid figure rolls easily because it has a curved surface? A. Cube, B. Sphere, C. Rectangular prism, D. Square pyramid. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. Which solid figure has a polygonal base and triangular faces that meet at a vertex? A. Prism, B. Pyramid, C. Cube, D. Sphere. The correct answer is letter B. Number 8. A prism always has A. One base, B. Two congruent bases, C. No bases, D. Circular bases. The correct answer is letter B. Number 9. Which solid figure does not have any edges or vertices? A. Sphere, B. Cylinder, C. Cone, D. Cube. The correct answer is letter A. Number 10. Which solid figure resembles a tent? A. Prism, B. Cylinder, C. Pyramid, D. Sphere. The correct answer is letter C. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. A cube has 6 faces. This statement is true. Number 12. A sphere has no flat surfaces. This statement is true. Number 13. A cone has 2 circular bases. This statement is false. Number 14. A rectangular prism has faces that are rectangles. This statement is true. Number 15. A pyramid has triangular faces meeting at one vertex. This statement is true. Number 16. A sphere has edges and vertices. This statement is false. Number 17. A cylinder can roll because it has a curved surface. This statement is true. Number 18. Plane figures have length, width, and height. This statement is false. Number 19. Solid figures are three-dimensional objects. This statement is true. Number 20. A prism has triangular faces that meet at one vertex. This statement is false. Directions. Identify the solid figure or term described. Number 21. Solid figure with 6 equal square faces. The correct answer is cube. Number 22. Solid figure with no faces, no edges, no vertices. The correct answer is sphere. Number 23. A solid figure with 2 congruent parallel polygonal bases. The correct answer is prism. Number 24. Solid figure with a circular base and a vertex. The correct answer is cone. Number 25. Solid figure with two circular bases. The correct answer is cylinder. Number 26. Count the faces of a triangular pyramid. The correct answer is 4. Number 27. Count the vertices of a cube. The correct answer is 8. Number 28. Count the edges of a rectangular prism. The correct answer is 12. Number 29. How many congruent bases do prism have? The correct answer is 2. Number 30. A curved, solid figure that rolls in any direction. The correct answer is sphere. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.